Next we are looking at the mean, standard deviation, and variance for discrete probability distributions. And we do have these three formulas here. However, we are going to be focusing on using the calculator. So we're going to be using the 1var stats and then the list 1 and list 2. So we enter in the amount of the claim in list 1 and the probabilities in list 2. And then quit out and press stat, go over to calc, select 1var stats, and then specify list 1, comma list 2. If you have the other version of the calculator, make sure to specify list 2 as the frequency list. And these are the 1var stats. So the mean is 9,400. The standard deviation is 17,989.99722. So when I report the standard deviation, I want to round that to 2 decimal places. So 17,990. And I want to square the original when finding the variance. So the variance is going to be that big number. You'll also notice that the mean of 9,400 is the same as the expected value that we got on question 1 of this section. And that's really because this is the same data as question 1 in this section. And the mean really is the same thing as the expected value.